In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and verify your website in Bing Webmaster Tools using Wix. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Bing Webmaster Tools account portal page. Once you're signed in, look for the option that says Add a Site and click it. This is where you'll begin connecting your website so Bing can recognize it and start tracking important search performance data. Next, you'll need to enter your website's top-level domain into the input field. Make sure you type the main version of your domain carefully, since this is the address Bing will use for verification and reporting. After you enter it, Bing will generate a meta validation tag for your site. This tag is a small piece of code used to confirm that you own or manage the website. Go ahead and copy the full meta tag snippet exactly as it appears. It's important to copy the entire code without leaving out any part of it, because even a small mistake can cause the verification to fail. Once you've copied that tag, open a separate browser tab. Keeping Bing Webmaster Tools open in the first tab can make this process smoother, since you may need to switch back and forth. In the new tab, navigate to your Wix dashboard and sign in if needed. From there, go to the section labeled Marketing and SEO, and then select SEO Tools. This area in Wix gives you access to important settings related to how search engines interact with your site. By moving to SEO Tools, you're heading to the part of your dashboard where verification-related options are typically managed. Take your time here and make sure you're in the correct section before moving on, especially if your dashboard has multiple menus or you manage more than one website. A helpful tip during this process is to avoid editing or reformatting the meta tag when you paste it later on. Verification tags usually need to remain exactly as provided. Also, keeping both tabs open side by side can save time and reduce the chance of copying the wrong information. At this stage, you've completed the key setup steps. You accessed Bing Webmaster Tools, added your site, copied the generated meta validation tag, and opened your Wix dashboard to the SEO Tools section. From here, you'll be ready to continue the verification process